Are you looking for a way to make 2000 RS daily from trading? You're in luck. In this video, I'm going to share with you some easy steps to earn 2000 RS daily through trading. Are you ready? Let's get started. Step 1. Choose a reliable trading platform. Look for a reputable broker with low fees and a user-friendly interface. This will ensure a smooth trading experience. Step 2. Educate yourself about the market. Understand how different assets and markets work. Stay up to date with market news and trends. Step 3. Develop a trading plan. Set clear goals and define your risk tolerance. Stick to your plan and avoid impulsive decisions. Step 4. Start small and gradually increase your investments as you gain experience. Be patient and remember that success in trading takes time. Step 5. Use technical analysis tools to identify profitable trading opportunities. Learn how to read charts, use indicators, and analyze trends. Step 6. Practice risk management. Set stop-loss orders to limit potential losses. Never risk more than you can afford to lose. Step 7. Monitor your trades closely. Keep a journal of your trades and learn from both your successes and failures. Trading can be a lucrative way to earn 2000 RS daily, but it comes with risks. It's important to approach trading with a disciplined mindset and to have realistic expectations. Remember, trading is not a guaranteed way to make money, but with the right knowledge and skills, you can increase your chances of success. So, there you have it. Easy steps to earn 2000 RS daily through trading. We hope you found this video helpful. If you enjoyed this content, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more valuable trading tips and strategies. Thanks for watching.